Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I'd really love that. If you're returning, how you doing? I am recording this video over for you guys due to the fact that there was no audio for some reason in the video that I had done. So what we're going to be talking about is the devastation that happened in Maui. At least 36 people have perished in the Maui wildfires, and wildfires in Maui have destroyed Front Street in historic Lahaina, and that's Lahaina. According to authorities, people jumped into the ocean to escape the fire and the smoke. Imagine, if you will, for just a moment, being so terrified that your only escape is to jump into the ocean, because that is your only means to save yourself. It's one of the scariest things I think ever imaginable. So strong winds fueled this blaze, and eyewitnesses describe the scene as apocalyptic. So I'm going to share some video and some pictures with you, okay? So take a look.
Maybe hot, yeah, watch out there. Just watch out, hot maybe. Oh, there's some spot over here, concrete.
Wow. Old folks home gone. Wow.
Are you seeing wine break of harvest at all?
House gone.
Oh my God. It's like Lahaina is on fire. Oh my God. Terrifying. Oh my God, I hope there's no animals out there. Oh, and look at that. All right, I better go back to the bank area. Oh my God, look at this. Unbelievable. Power lines down. Look at that. It's like it's. Oh my God. Oh my God. There's somebody out walking in the middle of the street.
Now, before I go, please consider donating to the Harvest Church Maui Relief Fund by clicking on the link that's in the description box below. Okay, donations to Harvest Church will go to providing tangible support to the people of Maui with emergency medical care, food, and shelter, helping the first responders as they provide need for medical care to those injured by the fires, supporting means for the local church on Maui to reach out to their community with the gospel and distributing spiritual resources and pastoral care for the people of Maui. Please keep the people of Maui in your thoughts and in your prayers, okay? They need it more so now than ever before. This is horrific. This is terrible that they have to live through something like this. You know, there is also, you know, there's no way to ever prepare for anything like this. You know, because generally when I speak on things like this, natural disasters and things like that, you know, I say, well, this is why we prep. There's no way to have ever prepared for something like this. Not when the people of Maui have to jump into the ocean in order to save themselves. There's no way. All right, guys, I will see you in the next one, okay? You stay safe, you stay positive, you keep prepping, and as always, fearless. Ciao.